Good morning and welcome to the most lit fairy tale of all time. As you see today, I am part unicorn, just part unicorn. That is inspiring me to do something that I've been wanting to do for a while, just never tried it. I've never made slime. Unicorn cloud slime. We're gonna make sparkly unicorn cloud slime. I've never made slime before, so we're gonna have to do a little bit of research first. And well, hey, looky there. It's my YouTube channel. You should hit that subscribe button while we're at it. We can keep more magic happening. All right, let's first just look up cloud slime, and then I'm gonna figure out separately how to make it rainbowy. Okay, so I'll need glow, instant snow powder. I do have water, borax. What is borax?
I am the Lorax.
It's a laundry booster. You can get it at Walmart or Target. I go to Target a lot. This shirt's from Target. Adding borax to cart. Got borax. Glitter? Purple glitter. Oh! Okay, so you guys, when I was little, I told my parents I wanted to be a purple glitter maker when I grew up. Okay, how to make multi-colored slime. Oh, look at that, it's rainbow. Whoa. This is 32 million views. Like, your whole little world here is so colorful. I like it. You get thumbs up and I haven't even seen it yet.
Hey everyone, it's Gillian and
you seem nice. Oh, I like her accent. You've got a lot of queendom colors going on there. Oh, your Instagram looks pretty too. Oh, this is so pretty, you guys. Look at her Instagram. Gillian Bower with your cuteness and your rainbowness. I like this. We like unicorns, so. Oh, you guys should follow me on Instagram too. Let's keep watching our friend here.
Make sure you just come and follow me and then we can be best friends.
Now, okay.
Let's begin. All different bright colors.
Look at
those. So I just placed some on top of the slime and it smells so cool.
How to make glitter slime. Wow, well look at that. That looks fun.
Today I'm going to be showing you how you can
Oh,
make
look at your cute little hairdo up on your head.
unicorn magical slime.
Yes. Oh, you have to have special glitter glue. So let's shop for pink glitter glue. Hey, this seems easy enough. It comes with the 3 colors I wanted. Add to cart. Okay, so I've ordered the Elmer's glue. Yes. I ordered the borax. Yes. I ordered the instant snow powders. Yeah. I've got to go pick those up. Oh, and you see I'm wearing this, which is practically my uniform. These cute little boots. I've got a unicorn over there too. Made it to Barnes & Noble. Thank you. No problem. Snow clouds like this make for some excellent light. Look at this. I'm lit so well. Okay, I gotta stop that. I'll see you when we get to Walmart. So we're headed to Walmart now to pick up our glue and our, what is it, borax? I don't know, it sounds like borax.
I'm the Lorax.
Oh, it's starting to snow here. And I show you, you can definitely see it now. You can see it sticking into the window. I gotta hurry. Go pick this up and drive home. Cool. I got instant snow powder. Have a good one. Hey, no problema. That's funny. Oh, no problema. I need you to get out of here. Oh, the snow. Let's do this. Where did I park? Where did I park? Oh, I hit my head. It is definitely snowing now. Yeah, I gotta go. And then we're gonna make some slime. Slime time. Sparkle, rainbow, unicorn, cloud slime. That's a lot of different words. Sparkly unicorn cloud slime. This is gonna be fun. Finally, ready to do this slime. We're gonna try this. Let's start with the pink since it's a nice, bright, happy color. Let's do it this way. Ooh. Okay, this is fun already. Like this. goodness, I didn't think this was gonna be that fun. That was basically the whole container. Not much. Okay, okay. This is awesome. I'm fascinated. I get it. I get it. I officially get the obsession with slime, and right now it's not even slime, it's just glue. And I feel like our hands are gonna get messy anyway, so I might as well just like play in it. It's like being in kindergarten again. We need a quarter cup of water. We probably mix with spinach. Whoa. Maybe a mix with both. We do both. I feel like it could be mixed more. Then it mixed thoroughly. I think you're supposed to mix this not with your hands. Oops. Yeah, so a good start here. A teaspoon of instant snow. I can't open anything. Pull your hair back if you're gonna do this. I've got glue in my hair.
Oh no!
Go get a little ponytail. There we go. It's totally in my hair. Oh, did I get it? No. Oh, there it is. Teaspoon instant snow. And we're gonna mix it. Doesn't seem like very much. Mix. I'd say that's pretty well mixed. Okay, I've got a big box of borax. Borax, not Lorax.
The Lorax.
Friendly girl, come back. Gillian, I want to stress how important it is to make sure you dilute the borax mixture properly. Mix a teaspoon of borax with 1 cup of water. So it's parental supervision. Should I call my mom? I'm gonna put the cup of water in here, and this way I can squirt it out a little at a time. Well, I hope it's not just like, I don't know, like right there at the, gonna come pouring out all over the place. So far I've had the most difficulty in just getting things open. Too open, press here. It's totally just right there. I only need a teaspoon of this. I'm gonna pour it in this little cup. Whoa. Oh, I saw clouds in it and I don't want to breathe that. Teaspoon borax, 1 cup water. Add activator little by little. Oh, whoa, it's already like lumpy. I don't think I even need to use this. I think I can literally just use my fingers. So it's just kind of kneaded a ton, which means not mixing. See, this is gonna get there. This is gonna be like actual slime. Fun to play with and not just like stuck all to my hand. It's like a little science experiment. Okay, I think I'm gonna take it out of the bowl. Right on the tray. Oh my goodness. It's actually sticking together enough now that I think I can even start to use it to get out of my hands. This is incredible. Look at it, it's like picking itself, it's like cleaning up my little plate for me here. A little cotton candy cloud. What was the kneading? She kind of went like this. Look at that. We'll move on to the next step. Teaspoon of instant snow. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. This is going to be amazing. It's going to be a little bit of a mess. I'm so thoroughly enjoying this. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is awesome. One step ahead and we will bring you down. Whoa, me and my army. snow grows and goes nuts. We're gonna get such crazy amounts of pink now.
Enjoying your alone time.
My hands are like...
I might be paranoid, 'cause I'm still sky high.
It's a ditto! I made a ditto. I tried ditto. Ditto!
Me and my army, we will stake you out.
I should set this aside while I make another color.
You better turn up.
Every phase of this is fun.
Better be there when I shake. What?
So I decided blue on. We're gonna test lotion in action.
If I should fall, just go ahead.
It smells like lotion now. I feel like I should make it like super lotion-y.
That's my true I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
We done with that one. Now I just want to make a purple one. That was fun. Okay, one more. Make a purple one. Oh, the purple glitter. My childhood dream. Oh my goodness, the purple glitter. It's just like I wanted to make when I was little.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to.
We now have 3 amazing things of cloud slime. Okay, I think all 3 are done. Ooh. So I think what I'm supposed to do is mix them all together. But you guys, this was so much more fun than I even thought it would be. Thanks for coming on this journey with me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Who knew that slime was going to be such a fun part of my fairy tale. Today, writing my story was pretty awesome. If you're not subscribed, please join the queendom. Today you're gonna join the slimedom. Today was awesome. Now I know why it's such a thing. I wanna play with this guy now. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, I'm gonna mix this up and make this into unicorn. This was so much fun. Popcorn. Whoa. My horn can pierce the sky.